Stop scrolling for just 10 seconds, because I'm about to show you 3 secret ways to make money with ChatGPT that almost nobody knows about. And no, this isn't freelancing, blogging, or affiliate marketing. These methods are so powerful that I literally pay a team to do it, and they only work 1 hour a day. And the crazy part? You can do this 100% free, starting today. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to show you how to turn these into a scalable business model, even if you've never made money online before. Alright, let's dive straight into it. I'll break everything step by step, and by the end, you'll have a business idea ready to launch. Let's go. Imagine this. A parent gives you their child's photo, and you turn it into a personalized storybook, where the kid is the hero. Just picture the reaction. A child flipping through the pages and seeing themselves as the main character of their own superhero adventure. Parents go crazy for this, and they're willing to pay top dollar for that reaction. Now here's the best part. There's almost no competition. If you check Etsy right now, you'll see just a handful of sellers, and they're already making sales like crazy. That means you can jump in early before it gets saturated. I'll explain exactly how to create these books in less than an hour using AI tools and Canva. But before that, let me tell you why this works. Because you're not selling a book, you're selling an emotional moment parents will never forget. Offer this on Etsy, Fiverr, or even your own landing page. Just 5 sales a day can easily make you over $100 a day from this alone. Now if you're not into storybooks, check this out. Custom art mashups. This one is viral right now. People send you their photo, maybe with their partner, pet, or even family, and you transform it into unique digital artwork. Think royal portraits, anime scenes, medieval fantasy styles, or futuristic cyberpunk. On Etsy, some of these stores have already made over $100,000 selling this exact service. The trick is, you don't just upload one listing, you create 50, 80, even 100 variations, so you dominate search results. And here's a pro tip. After AI creates the artwork, don't just send the raw image. Add your creative touch in Canva. Maybe put it inside a mock-up frame so the buyer can see how it looks hanging on a wall. That small detail instantly makes you stand out from 90% of sellers. Now, let me share the one nobody else is talking about, future self-portraits. This is still a completely untapped market. Here's how it works. Someone sends you their photo, along with their dream future. Maybe they want to be a doctor, a pilot, or even a millionaire entrepreneur. You then create a portrait of them in that future role. Imagine how powerful it is for someone to hang a framed photo of their future self on their wall. Every time they look at it, it motivates them to keep pushing toward that dream. This is not just art, it's personal transformation wrapped in an image. And guess what? There's literally zero competition. You could be the first seller dominating this niche. Okay, so we've covered 3 ways to make money, but how do you actually get buyers? Simple. 1. TikTok and Shorts. Post short before and after clips. 10-15 seconds is enough. These go viral insanely fast, and people will rush to your link. 2. Communities. Share your before and after samples in Facebook groups and Reddit communities. Don't spam. Just show the work and let people ask you for the link. 3. Linktree. Plus. Landing page. Put all 3 services under one simple link so you don't confuse your buyers. And here's the big secret. Once you get orders, you can even outsource the work to freelancers on Upwork. You just focus on promotion while your team delivers. That's how you scale into a full business. So to recap, we've got kids' storybooks, emotional, unique, low competition. Custom art mashups, proven to make $100K plus on Etsy. Future self-portraits, a hidden goldmine with zero competition. Now imagine combining all 3 into one brand. That's how you dominate this space. And if you want me to drop my exact prompts, Canva templates, and ad scripts that I personally use with my team, make sure to hit subscribe, because I'll be revealing them in the next video. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. So, which of the 3 methods are you going to start with? Comment below, and let's build your AI business today.